Hello my foodie peeps and welcome to 3D Cookout. So my new channel has only been announced for a few hours and already I'm getting requests for specific content. So my good friend Feder over at 3D SOS has requested that I please cook bacon on a 3D printer. So today we are going to do exactly that. I'm sitting here with some thick cut bacon and the new Creality Space Pie Filament Dehydrator. As you know, air fryers are a popular new cooking utensil that can cook various foods using forced hot air without oils or any other fatty substances. Well, aren't we in luck that here in the 3D printing industry, we have basically our very own 3D printer air fryer. Those of you familiar with the Space Pie Filament Dehydrator should be aware that it can create significant heat, is quite loud, and has very strong fans. Listen closely and you can clearly hear the powerful hot air being forced throughout this machine. I've created this basket to place the bacon in so that it can be nestled comfortably inside the Space Pie Dehydrator. You'll notice it even has air holes to allow the air 360-degree access to our bacon. Let's go ahead and get some bacon into this tray. Glorious thick cut bacon. 1 piece of glorious. 2 pieces of glorious thick cut bacon. 3 glorious pieces of thick cut bacon. Now with the bacon carefully inserted in the basket, simply start up your Space Pie Filament Dehydrator, open the door, and insert this container of bacon. You should almost immediately begin to hear that glorious sizzle of cooking bacon. After several minutes of cooking, simply turn off the Space Pie Filament Dehydrator and open up the back door. You will be greeted with fully cooked, crispy, thick cut, glorious bacon right here in your very own 3D printer air fryer, having successfully cooked or dehydrated bacon. That's good. The best part is that because it's an air fryer, basically, all the fats and greases fall into the machine.
Hey,